have a question that came in. As a U.S. exporter, can I become a foreign importer of record into China and ship DDP?
Mm-hmm.
Is that possible?
You can ship in DDP, but there will be.
But it's not recommended.
But yeah,
Okay.
It's not, because only the difference about DAP and DP is about tax.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference is about tax. The tax is sometimes we are afraid that at the beginning the shipper provides HS code is different as what is the customers think about HS code is. So there will be effects of the tax radios. There'll be a lot.
Right. Okay. And then the most popular Incoterms for importing from China into the USA, and what we see the most and what we suggest importers buy on is ex-works terms and FOB terms. And ex-works terms basically just means that the responsibility starts at the factory.